Okay, let's solve for 0 first off. And this is an equation and we're trying to solve for x. So we get x squared plus a plus bx plus ab. So the big A is 1, the big B is little b, and the big C is just ab, little a, little b. Let's write it down. X equals, and the bottom would be 2a, which is 2. The opposite of the big B would be minus a minus b, and then we get plus or minus what I consider to be the tough part, the radicand. So we got to do the b squared. And what would that give you? A squared plus b squared. When I say that, I'm writing them down so you know it's small a squared, small b squared. Plus 2ab minus 4ac. So that's going to be 4ab. All right, I'm looking at that, and I kind of, again, I'm looking at that, I'm seeing this over here. Minus a minus b plus or minus, let's write this down, over 2. And what do you get on the inside? You'd actually just get a minus b squared, because that would give you a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. That works well. Now, I hope you paid attention to the last thing we did, and it appears we don't have to worry about the sign of this thing, all right? I want to tell you the number one reason why that is. This thing is helping us out a great deal. So Wells is right in kind of ignoring that. So we talked about it above, but right now, I'm pretty convinced we're okay. So you get minus a minus b plus or minus a minus b over 2. All right, we're not doing the two cases we did up above. We figured that out. So what do you get over here? Well, I got to do it. And the first thing I want to do is, I'll write it down for you. I want to do a minus b plus a minus b over 2. And what do you get there? X equals, well, you get minus 2b over 2, which is simply minus b. Let's do the other one, and that would be x equals minus a minus b, and then you would get minus a plus b. Well, the b's disappear, and what do you get? Minus 2a over 2. And what does that give you? Minus a. Are we seeing those answers? Of course we are. If you want, you can check that in the original problem to make sure they satisfy the original problem. In other words, take the original problem, wherever you see x, put minus a, figure it out. If you want to check minus b, wherever you see x, put minus b, and figure it out. And it should satisfy it. All right? Thank you.